Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Studio Neat Glif set. The Glyph is an awesome tripod mount for your phone because it's very secure and you can attach things like a light and a microphone on it. This set comes with the Glyph itself along with a wooden hand grip and a wrist strap. If you don't want the full set, you can purchase the Glyph by itself. The full set comes in at around $55 and the Glyph only goes for about $28. I'll put some links in the description to Amazon and the Studio Neat website if you're interested. The presentation is really good when you open the box. The first thing you'll see is a card showing you the contents of the box and some instructions on the back. You get all of the items laid out in an organized way, which is really cool, and you can easily take them out. Inside the box you get the wooden grip, the wrist strap, an adapter to put the wrist strap on the grip, and the Glyph Mount itself. The Glyph is really cool because of the features it has. On the back, there is a quick release lever that will hold your phone in securely but won't slow you down. You can quickly lock and unlock the Glyph to get to your phone quickly. The Glyph has rubber grips on the parts that hold your phone, and there is a spring to help keep your phone securely in place. In fact, you can even put your phone in the Glyph without locking the quick release lever and it can still securely hold your phone with no problem, except when holding it upside down. However, when the quick release lever is locked, your phone isn't going anywhere. The Glyph has the most secure grip that I've ever tested on a tripod phone mount, and I'm pretty amazed by it. It can hold phones between 58 to 99mm wide, and it can hold phones with cases as well. The Glyph also has 3 tripod mounts that will allow you to connect up to 3 accessories to it. For example, you can have a tripod or the wood hand grip connected to the bottom mount, a small portable light on the side mount, and a microphone on the top mount. This is an amazing idea and it will definitely help step up your photo/video game. With the Glyph, you can do something that most tripod phone mounts can't do. You can actually connect your phone and put it in a tripod in portrait mode to do things like live stream, FaceTime, go on Snapchat, etc. If you order the full set, you also get a wooden hand grip and the wrist strap in addition to the Glyph. The hand grip is made out of solid cherry wood, which is really cool. It feels really good in the hands and it will definitely help you get more stable shots in my opinion. On the top you have the standard tripod screw and you have the standard tripod thread on the bottom, which allows you to connect your grip on the tripod. However, that tripod thread on the bottom of the grip is where you'll be putting the wrist strap. All you have to do is screw in the included adapter in the thread and you're good to go. The strap is made out of paracord and the leather feels very high quality. There is also a little rubber ring that you can use to secure the strap on your wrist. It does a great job and it has definitely saved me a couple of times from dropping my phone. You can also connect the strap to the Glyph itself to make a more compact and minimal shooting setup. Overall, the Glyph set is an amazing kit and I believe that it will help you bring your mobile photography and videography to the next level. The Glyph holds your phone very securely, but it allows you to quickly access your phone. The wooden grip feels nice in the hands and it will help you stabilize your footage, and the wrist strap helps protect your whole setup from drops as long as you wear it. I highly recommend purchasing this kit, and again I'll leave some links in the description to Amazon and the Studio Neat website if you're interested. That was my video review of the Glyph tripod mount along with the wooden hand grip and wrist strap. If you have found this video useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!